Matilda, the reader of books. It's a funny thing about mother and father. Even when their own child's the most disgusting little blister you could ever imagine, they still think he or she is wonderful. Some parents go further. They become so blinded by adoration they manage to convince themselves their child is quality of genius. Well, there's nothing very wrong with this. It's the way the world works. It is only when the parents begin telling us about the brilliance of their own revolting offspring that we start shouting, "Bring us a vaccine. We're going to be sick." School teachers suffer a good deal from having to listen to the short of tattle from proud parents, but they usually get their own back when the time comes to write the end of the report. If I were a teacher, I would cook up some real sculpture for the children of doubting parents. Your son Maximilian, I would write, is a total washout. I hope you have a family business you can push him into when he leaves school, because he sure as heck would get a job anywhere else. Or if I feel more like lyrical that day, I might write, it is a curious truth that grasshoppers have their hearing organs in the side of the abdomen. Your daughter, Vanessa, judging by what she's learned this term, he or she have no hearing organs at all.